This is going to be a massive week for cryptocurrency. And since it is President's Day, happy President's Day, I thought we would talk about our current president, Joseph Biden, and how he is expected to issue an executive order on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency regulations this week. If you are an investor in cryptocurrency and bullish on cryptocurrency, do me a favor and smash that like button. But ahead of this announcement, cryptocurrency has been taking a little bit of a dip the past couple of days. Bitcoin down to 38,000, Ethereum 2651. BNB 371. A lot of people anticipating this announcement by President Biden. Let's take a look here from a recent article written by Crypto Potato. President Biden to issue an executive order on crypto next week. Everybody is anticipating it. In this article, they talk about how President Biden has issued about 80 such orders since he's been in office. The next one will be oriented towards cryptocurrencies, CBDCs, and their respective regulation in the U.S. market. It's also important to note that President Biden obviously will create this executive order, but it's not official legislation until Congress passes it. And Congress does have the ability to overthrow this. Now, the Democrat could request from Departments of Treasury, State, Justice, and Homeland Security to design a comprehensive regulatory framework for the industry. Those agencies should also develop a report on the future of money and payment systems. I think a lot of people are welcoming, regulatory framework into the industry. Obviously, this year we've seen a lot of rug pulls, we've seen a lot of scams, we've seen a lot of heists, and I think a lot of people are welcoming in some form of regulation. You can also go on to see here that Biden's executive order could look at measures to protect consumers, businesses, and investors. Specifically, the directive might call upon transparency and enhance know your customer rules, KYC rules. We're seeing the KYC rules for pretty much every centralized exchange and centralized staking platform. But obviously, when you download Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and use Uniswap, you don't have any KYC rules. We're going to see if this decentralized system will continue to take place in Biden's reign. And right here, you can see here, people believe cash is not so preferred anymore. At the same time, fiat currencies are gradually losing their value due to the rising global inflation, which could make cryptocurrencies a more attractive option for investors. We're seeing inflation rates above 6%. We're also seeing less and less people use cash. I mean, most people in America and around the world are using some form of digital payment. Obviously, not all payments are happening in cryptocurrency, but people are using their credit cards, Apple Pay, etc. Things are moving more digital. We're seeing coin shortages throughout the United States, and less people using cash every day. Let's continue on this article. The report further indicated that Biden's administration will coordinate with other nations to standardize the crypto rules. Very interesting to see. Many wonder if the U.S. lawmakers will introduce a specially designed cryptocurrency legislation, or they will treat the industry as a traditional financial asset, stock, or as bonds. It goes on to mention that Donald Trump and President Barack Obama both issued executive orders recently. But unlike China, the American government has no intention to ban all cryptocurrency activities. Fed Chair Jerome Powell asserted in October 2021 that the supervision in the space is necessary. Stablecoins in particular are assets that they need special regulatory attention, he warned. They went on to back this up. So a lot of people are speculating that we will see an announcement from President Joe Biden, an executive order on cryptocurrency. We do expect to see some sort of regulation, but as you can see in this article, they're not looking to ban it. Obviously, the U.S. is going to make billions in tax revenue this year from cryptocurrencies and NFTs. So it's something that the U.S. is going to, obviously keep legal, but they want to regulate it. They want to stop some of the scams and the frauds that are taking place. But we will keep you up to date. So if you do enjoy this video, want to keep up to date on the latest news regarding President Biden's executive order, make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this content, please hit that like button and also leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this latest executive order that we're expecting this week after it comes out. Do you think that we're going to see the price of Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies go up, or will we see this downtrend continue even more? I guess it all depends on the news that's coming out this week. Appreciate your support, and we will see you on the next episode. Peace out, everybody.